Hi, I'm Daniel Fernback with the MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Stand here in front of the Sea Ray 230 SLX. Let's go take a look. First thing you're going to notice is the nice hull design in the lines. This is actually not just a stripe that's put on there aftermarket, it's gel coated into the paint, which is very nice and doesn't kind of rub off or anything, which is great. As we're going to move on to the boat, we have a stupendous back-aft platform. We have a Bravo 3 drive, as you can see below. The transom platform for lounging is actually very, very nice. It has two things that you could do: lounge out, or you can use it as a seat very easily. And then to put this back down, nice and simple. The boat has all blue LED lights, which is great for night or entertaining. Walking through, it has all the sea deck. The SLX line is a premium line for Sea Ray, so they have way more attention to detail when it comes to the double stitching of the diamond patterns and everything along those lines. We have a tower on this that's capable of towing. As we move forward to the helm, integrated twin Simrad screens and a flush mounted fusion radio. Companion seating for two, which is also adjustable. This will now move back and forth, and this can be a thigh bolster as well. Plenty of seating up here at the bow. You have storage underneath port and starboard. And then if you want to come and take a look, this is a pretty unique feature that a lot of the smaller boats wouldn't have, but storage under port and starboard side. If you'd like more info, my name is Daniel Fernback with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. You can reach me at 908-330-2727. Thank you.